Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to get golden egg in Last War survival. So let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you can see in Last War survival, acquiring golden egg involves a combination of chance, event participation and straight engagement. Here is how you can obtain them. So first of all, we have some methods to obtain golden eggs. Like this way, one random chat spawns, like golden eggs can randomly appear in the game chat. So second, we have to increase your chances to get golden eggs, like open the chat interface, then tap the plus icon at the bottom. You can see in here, you can allow to see it, then engage actively in the chat. The more you participate, the higher the likelihood or encountering a golden egg. Note, this method relies on luck and cannot be purchased directly, so you need to be keep patience. And then the method will be another is Easter celebration event. Like during the Easter celebration, a limited time event, players can obtain golden eggs through the lucky Easter egg minigame. Then access this feature by the event tab and participate in the slot machine style game. And the third option will be, some players have reported obtaining golden eggs through this method, though ability may vary. And third will be Bouncer Mall daily scale. Occasionally golden eggs are available for purchase in the daily scale selection of the Bouncer Mall. And the second will be keep an eye you're on this platform, and you will get option for keep an eye on this section during a special promotion or event. So these are the option, or these are the way to get Easter egg on, like diamond golden egg in your game. So I hope you find out this video is informative. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel.